Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. You can't believe how many different new recipes I have prepared for you. So thank you for joining me today. Today I have this amazing Japanese style miso cooked eggplant. This amazing umami taste combines savory and sweet. Come with me and let's cook this together. Start by preparing medium-sized eggplants. If you are cooking more than one eggplant, make sure they are similar size for them to cook all evenly. Cut off the two ends of eggplants and cut it in half. For better absorption of the season, cut with a sharp knives lines like this, one way, and crossing lines on the other side like this. Eggplants, also known as aubergines, originate from Asia. Once highly prized and used for medicinal use. And these vibrant gems are packed with fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidant. After cutting the eggplants, it's very important to salt them. Salting eggplant is important before cooking because it will draw out the extra moisture, which reduces the bitterness and makes it less spongy. This also helps eggplant absorb less oil when it's cooking later. For the miso sauce, mix together 3 spoons of miso paste, 2 spoons of sesame oil, 2 spoons of rice vinegar, 2 spoons of teriyaki sauce, 2 spoons of soy sauce, and a little bit of garlic puree. Mix it together very well with a little whisk so there would be no big pieces of miso and it's all blended together nicely. Miso is a Japanese style seasoning paste made from fermented soybeans, salt, and special fungus called goji. It has savory, full of umami flavor, and is often used in soups, sauces, and marinades. Miso is also very nutritious, providing protein, vitamins, and healthy probiotics. After salting, you need to rinse off a little bit of the extra salt and squeeze out the extra moisture from the eggplant. First, start cooking eggplant cut side down in an air fryer for about 15 minutes. Take eggplants out and put on a plate and cover with miso sauce and place into air fryer again with another side out for another 10 minutes with 200 degrees. Eggplants are ready when the sauce is shiny and dark brown. These eggplants are best served with rice and green peas or edamame beans, or amazing to be eaten as a snack by itself. Also, these eggplants are amazing to be eaten warm or as a cold dish. This dish overall is full of umami flavor, is healthy alternative for meat, and is very nutritious. Look at this juicy, full of flavor dish. Perfect to cook to impress or to be enjoyed as a perfect comfort food for everybody. Absolutely fantastic. This miso eggplant would be a perfect with light, flavorful shirataki noodles. You could add a refreshing cucumber salad and pair it with grilled salmon or tofu. I will also link my shirataki noodle recipe, such a great combo with this eggplant. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me today and cooking this amazing miso eggplant together. Thank you for watching my videos and keep watching because I have so many new recipes that I want to share with you. If you really like my content, then please subscribe, ring the bell, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye!